Yeah, everything was going so smoothly. I have no idea what brought this on. This came out of nowhere.
What was going on around you when this happened?
I do not know what's going on. I feel so upset.
Leave it with us. We're going to take care of it.